In this video, I'll show you how to use Claude AI for daily planning. This is a quick way to organize your tasks and stay productive throughout the day. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you today?" Now I'll type a prompt asking Claude to create a daily plan. For example, I might type, "Create a daily schedule for a productive workday." After typing the prompt, I'll click the send button. Claude will generate a daily plan, usually including time blocks, tasks, and priorities. If I want a more personalized plan, I can include more details in my prompt, such as my goals, working hours, or tasks for the day. For example, I might type, "Create a daily plan that includes work tasks, exercise, and study time." Claude can also help prioritize tasks, suggest time management techniques, and organize your schedule more efficiently. Once the plan is ready, I can copy or download the content and use it to guide my day. And that's it, I've successfully used Claude AI for daily planning. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.